If you've been wondering how to change Grammarly language, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to update your Grammarly language settings so the tool matches the way you write. This is especially helpful if you work in more than one language, want Grammarly to detect your preferred language correctly, or just need to switch your account settings for a different writing style. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly website loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because language settings are tied to your Grammarly profile, so if you're using the wrong account, you won't see the changes where you expect them. After you're logged in, look for your account settings. In Grammarly, you want to go to the section for account options, then find writing settings, and then language settings. Depending on the layout you see, this may be in a side menu, a profile menu, or a settings panel, but the path will always be focused on account writing and language. Once you're inside the language settings area, you'll see a drop-down menu. This drop-down is where you choose your preferred language. Click the drop-down and Grammarly will show you the available language options. Now select the language you want Grammarly to use. For example, if you write in English, choose your preferred English variation if it's available. If you write in another supported language, select that one instead. After you choose the new language, make sure the selection is applied or saved if Grammarly prompts you to confirm the change. In some cases, Grammarly updates the setting automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that your preferred language is now displayed in the settings panel. If you use Grammarly across different devices or browsers, remember that you may need to repeat this step on each one, especially if the settings don't sync right away. Also, if Grammarly is still suggesting corrections in the wrong language, try refreshing the page, logging out and back in, or reopening the browser so the updated setting takes effect. That's really all there is to it. You've now changed your Grammarly language in just a few simple steps. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how accurately Grammarly helps you write and edit your content. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more Grammarly tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.